You're gonna do what I want you to do. Hear me? Hear me, wig? You're gonna do what I want you to do. Okay? What's up, you guys, and thank you so much for tuning back into Taylor Time TV. Today I was supposed to be doing a wig installation and tutorial, but that sponsor did not want to uphold to our agreement and pay me, so now I'm gonna do what I want to do. I do what I want. Now I do what I want. So we are going to get high.
Get high, baby. Yeah.
And we are going to install this wig. This is my first time doing this, but it is trending on YouTube and I wanted to give it my little spin. So I got my wig. So my co-stars for today will be the Stony Patch edibles as well as this pre-roll. And I got these from the plug. I will have him in the description bar below. His name is @SheWithTheWeed and he got that loud.
It smells sour, like funky.
Really?
Oh my god, what is it? It's pee.
What?
It's pee.
Are you serious?
Thank you so much for helping me with this video, especially after the sponsor who was supposed to be the sponsor didn't fall through. But you know, it is what it is. We're gonna get high and we're gonna have a good time. So make sure you guys roll up with me and comment down below what you guys are smoking on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not even gonna do the YouTube cap for today. I actually do not smoke in this room. This is like my favorite room out of the house and it has a bunch of carpet. So I don't smoke in this room, but for now I am gonna take some of these little gummies. And another gripe, you guys are going to hate me, drag me in the comments or totally click off, but I hate the sound of chewing. So I'm actually just going to pop these in my mouth really quickly. It's not gonna be a mukbang type of feel. So if you gotta get your little, you know, your mukbang station for the day, I'm sorry, you won't be getting it in this video. So I'm just gonna take my little gummy. Okay. So I'll give you guys a little mukbang thing. So they are sour and then sweet. So it says sour, sweet, then stoned. And these are extra strength. It's 500 milligrams of THC. So I'm just gonna take one at first. I'm gonna see how I rock with it and I'm gonna keep going. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm not an edible type of girl. Last time I took edibles, I thought I was dying. I totally went to call the police.
Where the ambulance? Call the damn ambulance!
My phone was like a 3D projection. I thought I was like projected into space in the future, and my phone, like I was living in another time continuum and my phone was 3D. Y'all, I don't know what I was going through. I was going through some things, but it's like I'll never take another edible again. But here we are, needing the YouTube content, needing the views. I think it'll kick in about 30 minutes. While it's kicking in, I'm actually gonna go smoke my pre-roll. So I will come back when I feel some good vibrations. So light up with me, toast. All right, gang, I'm back. A flower child resin from the 70s. And I'm ready to install this wig. I feel extremely relaxed. I'm ready to get going. So this is the 5x5 Arabella closure wig. It came with these natural curls in the back. Girl, yes, loving that. Curls for the girls. It's so like psychedelic. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I've ever been this high. I feel crazy. Ugh, why does my lash want to annoy me? Speaking of, these are the lashes that came with the unit. They're not exactly like, they're lashes like I used to wear back in my like super ghetto bitch days. I'm trying to class it up for Instagram or whatever, you know? You feel me? I'm trying to get that influencer vibe now. You know, I'm trying to, you feel me? Ah, this clip is like stabbing me. Oh my gosh. Why when I get high now does this want to like irritate me? You know how like the edge, like I've had my makeup done for like an hour and now when I'm ready to film it wants to irritate me now that I'm high and I can like feel and sense everything. And by the way, I apologize for this band-aid on this nail. I'm not even gonna like hold you guys. This band-aid is the equivalent of bumper sticker tape on the back of a car. Like, It's not doing anything. It's purely for aesthetics to make you think that I attempted to really fix this nail. It's too far gone. Let's get into this. So it came with some baby hairs. I already I already bleached the knots and plucked this wig, but you can see like it wasn't, you know, like this wig took a really long time to bleach the knots that it got to like an hour, and I was like, okay, this hair is gonna fall out if I don't take it out. So that's why the roots are a little bit bleached. I also want to make another disclaimer. I don't wear wig caps under my units. I said that in my last wig tutorial. I don't wear wig caps under my units. This is like solely to hide my Kunta Kinte braids up under this wig, solely for that, for YouTube purposes. As soon as like I get the wig to where I want to be, I'm gonna slip this out under editing. So I'm aware that that's like a different color than my skin tone. It's fine. Actually, I just remembered something. So I'm gonna take my Eben spray. If you guys watched my last wig tutorial, which like you guys didn't watch, I sprayed too much of this last time, so I'm not gonna do too much this time. I feel good. I'm gonna take the cap off first. And take the wig, and I'm just gonna lightly spray it because last time I feel like I did too much. Yeah, I guess I really don't need this, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a curling wand because when I washed it, like I said, a lot of the curls came out. You could still see the curls, like the original curls. I think this curling wand will get me these curls. I also have a crimper. We're probably gonna have to try to both. We're probably gonna have to try both. Oh my gosh. So this is on 356. Maybe we should, what? It can only go from 338 to 356. What type of time jump are you doing? You guys remember like in school when you had to take those tests, and those tests used to be like, oh, figure out this sequence, like it's an odds or even sequence, like how much is it going up by? I never knew that shit. I'm not good at math. I just like to count money. I don't care about the math shit. Now I've taken off my wig cap and I sprayed it so that like my actual hair wasn't gonna come through so easily. You can see it a little bit, but again, this wig is gonna oxidize, so we're not worried about that. Plus, if anybody's all in my grill like that, you don't need to be doing that. And my man doesn't even know what wig stuff looks like, so I think I'm covered. So actually, you know what? I am just gonna spray that part a little bit more because now I'm self-conscious. Now let's try this again. So now that I've caked on the Eben tint spray, is my lash coming off? Okay. You can barely see my braids now. See? You can barely see them. This wig comes with baby hairs, and if you guys know me, you know I'm terrified of doing my own baby hairs because every time I do them, they're trash.
Bro, you're trash, bro. Is them tears, bro? Come on, bro. You gotta get you together, boy.
So I always end up just like pushing them back into the wig, but whatever. We're gonna try new things because we're high, and to be honest, anytime I try to do my hair or do my makeup high, it turns out the bomb. So, and then like it sucks because then I don't remember how I did it. Aww. Now, last time in my last video that I keep referencing because I want you to go watch it because nobody watched it, I need to make sure that my part is straight because last time I glued it on with a crooked part and it was a disaster. I'm just trying to make sure that the part is straight because you guys, like, I don't know if that last wig company literally just sent me a crooked parted wig, but I was so annoyed when I went back and saw that the part was crooked. So I think it's straight. I really think it is. I really think it is. Oh my gosh, my tummy's grumbling. I'm so hungry. I should order DoorDash. DoorDash should sponsor me. Who sponsors on YouTube that's food? Someone eats some healthy shit that I need to eat. I should start eating healthy. Okay, we're gonna make a little cut right here, but not too crazy. just because we want to glue this down and then we want to glue that down. You know, just trust me. Just mark it, whatever, right here. Oh, that's not where I wanted it, but whatever. So for me, I only put like 2 layers of glue because, like, girl, I'm not gonna keep this in that long, you know? Oh, I need some more glue. Somebody sponsor me so I can stop being broke, so I can smoke in my house and I can get glue, hair glue, amongst the other things I badly need. So what do you guys think of me doing this type of content? Are you guys cool with this? It's different than my usual content for sure, but I just want to do something fun and that's actually like really closer to me than just doing business videos. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a business girl, but I also get high in my free time, you know? Like, why can't I have the best of both worlds? I just don't understand that. So I'm just gonna take these other gummies I had and just spread that out nice and even. You guys even give a shit? The links to these earrings and this one piece, it'll be in the description bar below, guys. Please click on my links. I'm so poor and I need money for more weed. Is this reflecting and blinding you guys? Oh, so annoying. Oh, okay. I think we want it right there. Is it crooked, you guys? Comment down below. If it is, oh my gosh, it looks crooked. Like, I'm so scared that it's crooked. I can't even tell. If it is, I'm just gonna take this little piece of hair and move it over there. So I'm gonna take this edge scarf because it really is a bomb edge scarf. See what kind of curl this is giving. Oh, let me put some biotin in here. Biotin, what am I talking about? I'm gonna put some Bio Silk Therapy because it just makes your hair look so shiny and so bomb. So let's put this through, see where it gives us some life. How long was this? I think this was 20 inches. Wait, it looks a little longer than 20 inches. And it's curly too, so yeah, I'm wearing like boxers under this. YouTubers, like, you guys know, you be at work on Zoom and shit. Nobody's wearing pants. I have a crimper and another curling iron down here. So if I need to change the curl, I'm gonna change the curl. I literally hate curling my hair. Like, it's so annoying. Honestly, I should pin this. Oh shit. Oh, those curls are too big anyways. I'm so hungry. You can hear my stomach. So if the curls are too big, does that mean I need to take smaller pieces? Oh my gosh, why am I a failure? Focus. What the fuck is that? Oh my gosh, this is a disaster. I hate ruining pretty curls. Oh no. Oh no. That's not it. That's not it. I've never used this crimper and I just feel like this is not the time to experiment. Okay, let's just see what this crimper is giving. Let's see if this is done yet, because I feel like once the hair is laid, I can like super focus on this curl because I just cannot do multiple things at once. Yeah, I probably should have waited for it to fully dry. I don't know why I'm giving you guys bad advice, but like, wait for it to fully dry. Don't listen to me and not wait for it to fully dry. Okay. Oh, this piece is too beautiful for my high ass to be fucking it up. This piece, this wig, who do I think I am, an art dealer? This piece is too beautiful for me to be. No. Who are you, girl? Whatever. Ew, I hate how it's like tacky like that. What did I do? So I should have like started over here. Hoping for the best. All right, whatever. Here's what we got going on here. It's like a widow's peak almost. So like if you have a widow's peak, this wig is definitely for you, because it's definitely giving me like widow's peak, and it's making me think my part is not straight. I forgot, this is like a plastic table under here. So like my curling iron just like melted half of my table. Okay, we're doing great. But if I put this silk down, can heat be on silk? I feel like it can't, but I'm gonna try. Wait, maybe I shouldn't. Should I? Shouldn't. What's the worst that can happen? I don't know. Okay, I won't. I'm gonna lay that down, okay? We're just trying to see what the vibes are. Okay? That like wasn't bad, but it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. That's it? That's all you do with a crimper? I think it's a crimper in like since the 90s. I know like when the crimping style came back, I couldn't, like I was too poor to buy a real crimper, so I kept going to thrift stores and buying cheap crimpers, and they kept being trash and not working, and I just gave up on the crimping style. So that's it? You just do that? Is that the curl we're going for? Comment down below. Are we going for the crimping curl? Why are you guys not here with me right now? I feel like the crimp is giving like shine and body into this, like giving the hair life again. What happens if I comb through the crimp? Oh, I wasn't supposed to glue that down? Oh shit. It was supposed to be cut off? Oh, I think I did cut that off last time. Oh, it looks crazy not being cut off. Oh no. Can I like go in? See, this is why I don't let my hair fully dry. Can I like go in and cut this off? I'm gonna cut off as much as I can. Oh, I also have these 420 nails. Watch my 420 nail vlog because you didn't watch it. So yeah, it's still obviously there, but I don't know, girl. We just can't do like a look, you know? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to face tune this out. Why would I leave this on? We're gonna try this again. So I'm just gonna go through. Oh my gosh, what time is it? It has to be so late at night. It has to be past my bedtime. Just gonna go through. What am I even doing right now? Okay, I thought that was gonna be a thing, but I'm gonna like make it a moment. Like a housewife who needs a peach, make it a moment, bitch. We're just going to clip that. Okay. Okay. No, bitch. You're gonna do what I want you to do. You're gonna do what I want you to do. Hear me? Hear me, wig? You're gonna do what I want you to do. Okay? I don't care if you don't like it. Okay, chill out. I need to chill out. Okay, boom. Don't know what's going on with this part. Yeah, baby. Ah!
Yeah, baby.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shit. It burned. I forgot I put the gel there. Pain is beauty. I was just gonna say, yeah, baby. I like to hear that sizzle. That's when I know it's getting a good... real good meltdown.
Hour later.
I'm going to melt this, and then I'm gonna come back with the final look. You know, maybe get a fan. No, I'm too lazy. The fan's upstairs. But it would have been bomb with the fan. Maybe next time. So comment down below what kind of videos you guys want me to do. If you guys want me to continue doing content like this, or if you want something new, comment it down below. Thank you so much for tuning in to Taylor Time TV. Now I need you to binge watch the last episode and catch up on the new episodes, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.